picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
Planning a special dinner is an ultimate way to unwind after a hectic day or week. Enjoy great food, drinks and fine tunes will set the ambience you need. Catch up with your loved ones, whether it's a giant get-together or just a casual meal for two. Impress your guests with a simple and easy restaurant-quality, homemade, gluten-free, fresh rice wrapper spring rolls with homemade sweet chili sauce. Enjoy the music while crunching on fresh vegetables, herbs and sliced chicken breast, encased in a delicate translucent rice wrapper and dipped in a irresistible sauce, while sipping on a glass of chilled natural grape juice. The ingredients of our sweet chili sauce are the following. The ingredients today will also be placed in the description below. 5 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup red bell pepper, 2 pieces green chilies, 1/4 cup water, 3/4 cup white vinegar, half a cup honey, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon pink salt. Mix the cornstarch with 2 tablespoons water to create a cornstarch slurry, which will be used as a sauce thickener. Set the slurry aside. Dice the green chilies. Slice the red bell pepper. Mince the garlic and set aside. Use a blender with pulse setting or a food processor and place in the following ingredients: the green chilies, red bell pepper, the garlic, and the water. Cover. And give a few pulses to grind, leaving a few bits and pieces. In a saucepan, transfer the grinded mixture and add in the following: the vinegar, honey, and the salt. Then turn up the fire and set it to medium heat. Stir. Bring the mixture to a simmer for 5 minutes. Then add in the cornstarch slurry and stir till the sauce thickens a little. Then turn off the fire. The sauce will thicken further when cooled. Meanwhile, the ingredients of our gluten-free fresh rice wrapper spring rolls are the following: 1 medium carrot, 1 medium green cucumber, 9 pieces romaine lettuce leaves, 1 medium red bell pepper, a few cilantro leaves, few spring onions, 9 pieces rice wrappers, and 1/4 kilo boneless chicken breasts. For the meantime, let's marinate and cook our chicken breasts. For the marinade, we'll need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut aminos, a gluten-free substitute for soy sauce, 1 teaspoon Muscovado, 1 tablespoon Calamansi juice or lime juice, 1 clove garlic, and 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Mince the garlic and set aside. Prepare the chicken breast in a container and add in the following and combine: the coconut aminos, calamansi juice, the muscovado, garlic, and the oil. Soak the chicken breast in the marinade for an hour. And after an hour, heat up a non-stick pan and set it to medium heat. Place in the marinated chicken breast, including the marinade, and cover. Flip till the chicken is completely cooked on both sides and the liquid dries out. Then turn off the heat. Once the chicken is cooked, slice them into strips and set aside. Let's now prepare our fresh rice wrapper spring rolls. Julienne the carrot, Julienne the bell pepper, Julienne the green cucumber, slice the spring onions and set aside. Prepare a shallow bowl the size enough to soak the rice wrapper. Fill the bowl with warm water and dip the whole rice wrapper and soak for 5 seconds, not more because they tend to tear easily. Then place the soaked wrapper flat on a wet cutting board. The wrapper will soften as you add the fillings. In any particular order, lay few pieces of each vegetable filling on the bottom end closest to you. Pick up the edge closest to you and pull it over the toppings. Then, pick up both sides of the wrapper and fold over the toppings. Then, continue to roll all the way. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the wrappers. And when all are done, they are best served right away with a homemade sweet chili sauce. Have that special dinner while listening to your favorite music and chomping on this delicious fresh rice wrapper spring rolls rolled with crispy fresh vegetables and a delectable chicken strips, dunked in a flavorful homemade sweet chili sauce. Dip, chomp, crunch, repeat. Impress your guests with these colorful spring rolls, which are so delicious, healthy, and pretty, and complete the perfect atmosphere with a chilled, natural grape juice. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!